Want a tool that enables your students to access any text easily? Do this. Go to your App Store. This tool works on Apple and Android phones and tablets. Search for ElevenLabsReader, download and install. Sign in to the ElevenLabsReader app using your school Google account. Now it is time to see how great this tool is. Click on the plus sign. We have 4 options here. First, we are going to use the scan option. First, we are going to scan some text from a magazine. Hold your phone over the page you want to scan, then press the scan button. Next, press the listen button. Press the play button to have your text read to you. The ElevenLabsReader will now read the text aloud and highlight the individual words at the same time, making it easy for your students to follow along. You can change the reader's voice to one that you prefer. To change the voice of your reader, click on the Voices option, scroll through the voice types and select the one that you like. You can even have text read to you from a shared link. Copy the link from the document you want to have read to you. Then select the Paste Link button. Paste the web link into the box and press Next. Wait for the document to load. Click on the Listen button. Wait a few seconds. Then press the Play button. Your text will now be read to you.